I award myself for being award-winning body. I award myself for being award-winning body.
Rufa May Quinto, isa sa mga celebrity na nahaharap ngayon sa isang problema kagaya ng problema ni Neri Miranda. Ngunit sa kaso nga daw ni Rufa May Quinto ay kayang-kaya niya itong harapin dahil wala naman siyang nilalabag o wala naman siyang ginagawang masama dito. Kaya naman she will face those charges. Magvo-voluntary surrender nga si Rufa May Quinto. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Agad nga na naglabas ang kanyang legal counsel ng statement patungkol sa nahaharap na issue nitong si Rufa May Quinto. Sabi niya dito, she will face those charges. Mag-voluntary surrender siya and magpo-post po kami ng bail for that. She's worried kasi hindi naman totoo yung allegations kasi my client po is just a brand ambassador, a model endorser, ni hindi sa kanya nakapagbayad ng down payment. Tapos, yung cheque, puro tumalbog. Lahat po yan, hawak naman po namin yung ebidensya. Ipe-present namin yan sa court. Kaya naman go, go, go. Laban kung laban para kay Rufa May Quinto. Truth will prevail.
Cutie!
Pretty quick. Thank you. Yes.
Cutie!
Pretty quick. Thank you. Yes.
At bukod nga sa legal counsel nitong si Rufa May Quinto, siya mismo personal na naglabas ng statement sa public para malaman ng lahat na malinis ang kanyang hangarin at wala siyang nilalabag. Sabi nga ni Rufa May Quinto sa kanyang statement, I want to take this opportunity to address the recent allegations that have been circulating regarding my involvement in an issue. Let me state this unequivocally. I have no connection whatsoever to any fraudulent activity and I categorically deny these baseless accusations. If anything, I am also a victim and I am determined to seek justice. Over the years, I have worked tirelessly to build my career and maintain my untarnished reputation, which is rooted in integrity and dedication. As a public figure, I always demonstrated professionalism, transparency, and respect for the people and brands I work with. It is dejecting to see my name being dragged through the mud, but I remain steadfast and confident that the truth will soon prevail. I will cooperate fully with the authorities and face the issue through the proper legal forum. Rest assured, I will fight for my name and reputation. Their love and support. I am grateful. Let us allow justice to take its course, and I humbly ask for your patience and understanding as the truth unfolds.
Deep breaths. Yes. Deep breaths. Go, go, go. It's showtime. Yes. Go, go, go. It's showtime. Yes.
Pero kung tutuusin ay matalino talaga itong si Rufa May Quinto sa totoong buhay at wala na nga siyang dapat napatunayan pa. Kaya naman hindi mapigilan ng mga netizens na magkomento sa mga nangyayari kay Rufa ngayon. Sabi nga dito, yeah, ramdam mo yung accountability here sa statement niya and at the same time, yung projection na she can fucking defend herself based on facts and as person. Hindi gaya nung isa na pinamukha agad ng asawa, magulang at wais na misis at kawawa. Alam mong nagpe-play na agad sa emotion ng tao. Rufa never mentioned na mabuti siyang ina at kung ano man, while etong isa, kulang na lang ilayo talaga sa pagiging connected sa nangyari yung asawa niya. Kaya naman itong si Rufa na tahimik ang buhay ay nadadawit ngayon. Tahimik ang buhay kasama ng kanyang mahal na anak. Kaya naman ang mga supporter niya ay todo komento. Fight, fight, fight to the highest level. Ito yung literal na pag wala kang ginagawang mali haharapin mo lahat-lahat with resibo. Matalino naman si Rufa. She knows how to fight back in legal matters. Pero sa kabila ng lahat na kinaharap ni Rufa ay hindi niya ipinaparamdam sa anak na may problema nga siya. Kaya naman patuloy din ang pakikipaglaro niya sa kanyang anak at binibigyan niya pa rin ito ng oras.
Mom,
Yes.
I want to buy 3 Labubu clothes and another 3 Labubu clothes for Vivian and
Okay.
Liliana. And then
Hello, everyone.
hello everybody. I mean hello Max. I have one Labubu that you have, but also I have a giveaway on these and also this one. So they're all for sale. So
You're selling it. Yeah, you can sell it.
yeah, we're yes. I got the secret one actually. Thank you. But it's still version. Oh my gosh. Let's see what I get. Why is it the purple one again?
If it's again, this is great.
Ang simpatya nga ng mga tao ay na kay Rufa May Quinto. Go, 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 fight, fight, fight. Itodo na yan. Marami din talagang umiidulo kay Rufa May Quinto dahil nga napaka-transparent niyang tao at syempre napaka-fun to be with nga.
Healthy Foodie Manila. Thank you so much. Sarap-sarap. I feel great and happy, healthy, fit and bright. Yes, all right. Let's eat na.